Ushawahi kuona Diana yeyote kwa ndoa?
Have you ever seen anybody by the name
Hakuna
Diana
hata
married?
mmoja hivi.
You cannot find even a single one.
Honorable viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you are watching this video, guys. Today, we are about to embark on a journey that delves into the profound impact a name can have on a person's life. Guys, have you ever wondered how something as simple as a name can shape our destiny? Well, that is exactly what we'll be exploring today. We will be discussing a recent controversy involving Pastor Ezekiel and his rather surprising opinion about the name Diana. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. We will also draw inspiration from the iconic movie called Wonder Woman, a book called The Secret Garden, and lastly, the timeless song called I Will Survive, so that, guys, we can debunk the opinion of Pastor Ezekiel concerning the name Diana. If you are asking how this topic is relevant, well, you know, guys, names carry stories and they often influence the path we take in life. Whether it is the character of Diana in the movie called Wonder Woman or the wisdom found in the book called The Secret Garden, these sources of inspiration shed light on how we can navigate life's challenges and thrive. Throughout this video, we will tease out the lessons and the insights from these various sources, all while keeping it engaging and conversational. But I'm not just here, guys, to talk at you. I want to hear your thoughts too. So please don't hesitate to share your experience and opinions in the comments down below, so that we can know your opinion about the Pastor Ezekiel's recent surprise opinion about the name Diana. And also let us know, do you think the name can actually influence our life? Let us know at the comment section, and I promise you I'll do my best to answer them. As we set the stage for this intriguing discussion, let us remember that even the smallest details like a name can hold immense power. It is all part of the tapestry of life. And together, guys, we will explore its rich and inspiring trends. Guys, are you ready? Let us dive right in. Now, let us jump right into the world of the movie called Wonder Woman. This film is an absolute masterpiece showcasing the strength, courage, and the compassion of Diana, played brilliantly by Gal Gadot. Wonder Woman movie is all about Diana's journey to discover her true potential as a warrior and a defender of justice. It is a movie that reminds us all of the heroes within ourselves. My good viewers, isn't Diana's journey in the movie just awe-inspiring? From her idyllic childhood on the Miskra to her mission to stop the god Ares from wreaking havoc in the world, Diana's journey or story is a powerful reminder of our inner strength and the importance of standing up for what is right. Honorable viewers, let us take a moment to reflect on some timeless wisdom from the book called The Secret Garden. We learn that, and I quote, "Every day is a chance to start anew," end of quote. And when life throws its challenges our way, we can always channel the spirit of Gloria Gaynor's song, I Will Survive, to rise above and thrive. Now, to all the beautiful Dianas out there, listen to me, good people. You are extraordinary. You have the strength and the grace to conquer anything life throws your way. Embrace your inner Wonder Woman the way Diana in the movie did, and let your light shine bright. Don't allow anybody's opinion about your name influence you. You know yourself. Use and embrace your inner Wonder Woman. You know yourself, what you can do and what you can achieve. And you are a testament to the beauty and the strength of your name. Your journey, like that of Diana in Wonder Woman movie, is filled with incredible potential. Embrace your uniqueness, for it is your superpower. In the face of challenges, always remember the book we saw previously called The Secret Garden. It teaches us that every dawn brings a new beginning, and every setback is an opportunity to bloom anew. Just like the lyrics of the song called I Will Survive, you have the resilience to overcome anything life throws at you. So my sister Diana, wherever you are watching me across the globe, remember, Your name is not a limitation, but a canvas upon which you can paint a life of purpose, love, and boundless achievement. You are a hero in your own story, and your name is your cape. So Diana, be elevated today. Let us rise together, face the world with confidence, and continue to make your mark. Your name is a symbol of strength, grace, and resilience. Keep shining, keep thriving, and keep inspiring. The world is a better place with you in it. Without you, this world will be so ugly. Now, let us turn our attention to Pastor Ezekiel. While his recent controversial statement regarding the name Diana have sparked a significant conversation, it is actually essential to approach this topic with fairness and an open mind. People, including pastors and religious leaders, have their own beliefs and opinions, and they are entitled, guys, to express them. It is worthy noting that disagreement and differing viewpoints are an inherent part of human society. In a diverse world, it is natural for individuals to have contrasting perspectives on various matters, including names and their significance. It is through this discussion and debate that we can often find a path towards a greater understanding and unity. While Pastor Ezekiel's statement may have been provocative or even offensive to some, it is also an opportunity for us to reflect on the importance of respectful dialogue and the impact of our words on others. As we explore this topic further, let us remember the value of open and constructive conversation even when we encounter differing viewpoints. This is not politics, guys. Amina? Pastor Ezekiel, we appreciate your dedication to your faith and your desire to share your beliefs with your community. Your role as a religious leader holds immense responsibility, as your words have the power to shape perspective and impact lives. I would like to take this opportunity to engage in a thoughtful conversation about the recent statement you made regarding the name Diana. We understand that everyone is entitled to their opinion and beliefs, and as a pastor, you have a platform to share your perspective. However, it is crucial to consider the impact of our words on others. Your statement about the name Diana have caused concern and discomfort among many individuals, especially those who bear that name. It is essential to recognize that names carry personal significance and cultural meanings. We kindly encourage you to reflect on the potential consequences of your words and how they may affect those in your community. Names should not be judged or stereotyped, as they do not define a person's character or destiny. Instead, they are part of the rich tapestry of our individuals' identities. Let us remember the value of empathy and the impact of our words on the lives of others. Together, we can create a more inclusive and harmonious community where every individual, regardless of their names, feels respected and valued. We are all about positivity and inspiration here, and we are calling on Christian leaders to do the same. Let us preach the gospel of love, compassion, and positivity. Together, we can make a powerful, positive impact on the world. Before we wrap up, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for being a part of our incredible community. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join us on this journey of inspiration and positivity. Remember, your name is a badge of honor, and you have the power to make a positive impact on the world. Stay inspired and keep spreading love and light. Until next time, take care. I've been your host, Peter Tosh William. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now, and God be with you.